So Tom Cohen, pretty amazing man. He's written a book called, let's see if I can remember the title of the book, something about the heart. And if you read that book, you're gonna find out a lot of different things about water and how it affects the body. And it turns out that Brown's gas is the only thing that increases something called EZ water. It's actually an EZ gel. Professor Gerald Pollack's book, The Fourth State of Water, describes this EZ gel, calling it the fourth state of water, but it actually isn't water. It's H3O2 negative, which is a gel, not a liquid. It's not water, and it isn't the fourth state of water. Water is H2O, whereas H3O2 negative is not H2O. Like, no one would mistake hydrogen peroxide, which is H2O2, for water. It's not. So H3O2 negative is not water. However, it got the name, and it was a good name to sell the book, and it forms from water spontaneously, this gel. So when you have a hydrophilic surface, hydrophilic means water attracting, it will form on the surface automatically a layer, when water is added, of this H3O2 negative. And that's what they're calling the EZ zone. EZ stands for exclusion zone. So exclusion zone water, which is this gel, excludes everything but itself. So it tends to purify anything that's right in that zone. And there's a lot of amazing things that happen with this EZ, exclusion zone. Now, it turns out that our bodies are full of this exclusion zone gel. It's what plumps up our cells, but more importantly, it coats all of our arteries, veins, and capillaries, and our red blood cells are coated with them. All those surfaces are hydrophilic surfaces, water-loving, so they form this gel. Now, this gel is extremely slippery. So when you get the capillaries, which there's thousands and thousands of miles of capillaries in our bodies, when you get the capillaries, they're smaller than a red blood cell. So a red blood cell, being round, has to fit through this little thing. It squeezes itself like a sausage and squeezes through there. And if it wasn't for that very slippery surface, it couldn't do it. Our blood would stop pumping in our bodies, and that would be the end of it. But it turns out that our heart is not strong enough to pump the blood through our bodies. Woo!
Yay!
This is another thing that science is just discovering, but they have discovered what actually happens.